Hey guys, so I'm about to do it. I'm not going to do the ceiling this time. Instead, I found a spot on my wall that I think will show the ceiling, so it won't be as much of a pain in the butt to patch up or to create an entrance. This is the saw I was told to get. It's really, really sharp. So I'm just going to cut a random hole, because I'm not going to even work to patch it up until I know it's big enough for the inspector to look into and see that everything's good with my shear. So let me begin.
It's not showing up on your front.
I think there was already a place where they had done it, so I really should use a stud finder first. Hold on, let me get a stud finder. All right, I got the stud finder. The batteries work, so. So there's one, oh, that makes sense, right along the middle. And right at the edge. See? And there's one right here at the end. So that makes sense. Let me see if there's any, no, it's not gonna work.
Mom.
Sideways. There's one in the middle. Let's see. Yeah, and there's one in the middle. So I'm gonna just do this little patch right here and see if I can actually see anything.
Is this actually it? Oh my gosh. Is this for real? I want to show so bad. Mom. Bye. I'm bringing my snacks with me.
I think the hardest part is breaking through the wall. I hope I'm not actually cutting anything important. Oh, well, there it goes.
Hi, Mommy. What are you doing?
I'm cutting the wall.
Oh, I'm gonna watch it from here.
Sounds good.
See how it all plays out.
Are you rooting for me?
Yep.
Good.
Mommy.
There you go. Now I got a cheerleader.
You know, I'm gonna run for a cheerleader meeting right now. Mommy.
Alright.
Yeah, hopefully you're not cutting anything important.
Thanks, Caleb.
Anyways, mommy, the call's done. You can use your phone now.
Thank you. Alright, I'm just gonna do a small triangle. Because I'm nervous.
Yeah, I think that makes sense. Right there.
Mommy, I can't sleep.
Excuse me?
Anyways, how are you supposed to get out the corners with these?
I'll pop it out.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that's actually weird.
Oh. Okay.
Pop it out. Like, can you imagine you have a balloon? Pop it out. There's a key attached. You can't get out of the house. I want it.
Oh my god, it's like snow in my hair.
Oh no.
No, don't touch it. I'm putting it back later, okay? Oh my goodness.
What?
It's a little difficult. I think we're good. Is that the attic? I think so. I'm not 100% sure. That bag stuff, I think it's probably just more insulation. I don't see any nails. I don't know. We'll see what the inspector says. And then it'll be just an easier patch. Alright, the inspector's gone. And I had to make a second hole because he didn't like the first hole at all. It's the second hole. I left this on to make it a little easier to patch it up. But I made it this big and then I had to extend it because he couldn't get his camera in there. And that's kind of what it looks like in there. So just a heads up for anybody else who has to do this. This is for the inspection, the wind mitigation. It can't be in the center of the house, the arch, because they want to see a connection to the outside wall. You see right there. And they need to take a picture of the nails, I guess. Which I guess he had to use zoom because it was pretty far in there. But now it's time to pack. And I bought some mud. I thought spackle would work, but I was informed that that will not do the job. And then while I'm at it, I also have some other things. This is the guest room that I haven't touched since I moved in. And there are some other spots, like here, little holes from the previous owners, whatever they had on the wall, and some nail holes that I am not using currently. Random little holes. So I'm gonna go ahead and patch those up. Let me show you how I'm gonna use the sand. Now I am learning this as I go, so you guys get to watch and maybe learn something from me, or maybe learn how not to do it. So I hope you enjoy.